So we're here at the Port of Leith cruise terminal, setting up for our event tomorrow where we're going to be demonstrating our green shore power tug trials. This is a really exciting project, bringing together lots of different project partners, all to have a complete hydrogen supply chain in and around the Port of Leith.
Globally, we're on this transition to find greener, more environmentally friendly fuels. And there's been a lot of debate for many years about what fuel is the way to go in terms of the maritime sector. And one of the opportunities is around hydrogen, and therefore the event today is a significant statement about Forth Port's intent to be able to be willing to trial new types of fuel in a marine fleet. And this transition to testing and trialling hydrogen is a big statement for us in that journey of transitioning to different marine fuel sources. The collaboration between all the partners and then the involvement of Scottish Government and UK Government to make this thing all come together has been fantastic. And it was a real proud moment a few weeks back when we got that kind of first production kind of going and the first first hydrogen production and the power to allow these guys to come in and plug in. It was a great moment for us.
Well, this is so impressive, and to see the world's first green hydrogen connection helping power shipping. In this case, it's the tugboat. It's an exemplar to show what's possible, and it's all part of the Port of Leith developments to make sure they can secure net zero. All parts of our transport system have a part to play. Our ports are particularly important, and I'm delighted to see such innovation, bringing together different partners and using that technology to show what's possible, and it's happening here in Leith.
I'm Spencer Ashley, Director of Innovation at PlusZero, and this is our boat, the Experiment of Leith H2. Well, this boat here represents a new dimension in propulsion. This is a world first, and we're so pleased we're doing it in association with Forth Ports. We've got this boat along with its sister ship Vital Spark, entered in the Monaco E-Grand Prix this summer in July, and we're looking forward to taking Sunshine on Leith to Monaco.
Are you going to win?
We'll win an innovation prize.
We've held a really exciting event demonstrating our green hydrogen shore power trials, where we're using green hydrogen to power tugs like the one behind me while they're at quayside.
The trial that we're doing here today is about using hydrogen to produce power. And when we've got vessels that are alongside and we've got people living in those vessels alongside, then they need power to live in that environment when they're on board. And we're using hydrogen here to produce electricity to plug into a source that means that we're not burning fuel or running engines when our tugs are alongside. Those are the largest vessels that are involved in this trial. But equally, we're also doing a trial of a hydrogen-powered hybrid vessel, smaller ship, that we use in our day-to-day operations here inside the ports. And that means that using hydrogen in a hybrid environment means it will have zero emissions whilst we're doing our day-to-day activities on the water inside the Port of Leith and elsewhere across Forth Ports organisation. Experimenting and trialling and testing new technology is an important part of this journey for us. And whilst we've made some changes already to move from more traditional fuels to things like HVO, then we want to continue to innovate and test and trial different alternatives that are out of there. So therefore, for us, this is part of our journey. We'll set our ambitions to be decarbonised operations by 2032 and to be net zero by 2042.